In this video, I will show you how to change YouTube video audio language. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, it's absolutely possible to change the audio language on YouTube videos. This isn't going to work on every single video or every single channel. It just depends if channels do have the feature enabled where you can change the audio language. So what I'm going to do is just bring up a video to do this on. So we're actually going to go ahead and just search for Mr. Beast. And what I'm going to do is just click onto this video here. Now, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and skip past this ad. So let's just wait for that to finish and then skip past this and go into the actual video itself. Now, to actually go ahead and change the audio language, what you want to do is come down and click onto the settings icon just down here. In here, you're going to see an option for audio track. As you can see, it's currently set to English, but if you give that a click, you can see all the available languages that you can change the audio for. Now, as mentioned, this does not work for all videos. It depends if the channel has this feature enabled or not. So that's how to change YouTube video audio language. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.